SAP software is a comprehensive enterprise resource planning tool used by organizations to manage business operations and customer relations. Here's a basic tutorial for beginners to get started with SAP. Log in, launch the SAP GUI on your computer. Enter your user ID and password provided by your organization. Understand the interface. Familiarize yourself with the SAP Easy Access screen, the main navigation point. It contains a menu tree on the left and a comment field at the top. Navigation. Use transaction codes to quickly access functions. Enter the T-code in the comment field and press enter. For example, use MMO1 to create a material master or FB60 to enter vendor invoices. Modules. SAP is divided into various modules, each catering to different business functions. MM for procurement and inventory. SD for sales orders and distribution. FICO for financial accounting and internal costing. HR for employee data and payroll. Create entries. For creating new entries, navigate to the relevant module and follow the prompts to enter data into the required fields. Use drop-down menus and search helps to find data. Run reports. Run reports. To generate reports, use T-codes like SE38 to execute standard reports or FBL1N for vendor line items. Customize the selection criteria as needed. Save and submit. After entering data, save your work using the save icon or by pressing Ctrl+S. Follow any additional submission steps required by your organization's workflow. Help and support. Use the SAP Help portal for detailed explanations and guides.